Good morning, the student of class 2. Today we will discuss page number 14 of your mathematics book, and the chapter name is counting in groups. So today we will read one story. Okay, so open your book and page number is 14, and the today's story name is the big carrot. So on page number 14 you can see that there is a big picture of carrot. So an old man planted a carrot seed. The carrot grew big and sweet. It grew very big. He tried to pull out the carrot, but it did not come out. So he quickly called his wife, and then the old man and his wife started to pull it out, but it didn't come out. Then after that, the old woman called her granddaughter. So now the old woman and the granddaughter tried, but the carrot didn't come out. So the granddaughter called the dog. Now they all four are started pulling, but they couldn't. Then after that, the dog called the cat, and everyone pulled, and the cat held on the dog's tail. The carrot did not move. Still, then the carrot called the mouse. So in the picture you can see that the old man pulling, first the old man, then after that his wife, then after that the granddaughter, and then after the dog, then after the cat, and then after that the mouse. So the cat called the mouse, and then they all pulled hard together, and the carrot came out, and they are so excited. And as because the mouse came last, and that time the carrot came out, so the mouse is shouted that yes, I am strongest. So now they are going to the kitchen and made gajar ka halwa and ate it up. So now as all of you know that gajar ka halwa is so tasty and yummy, and we all love it in winter season, isn't it? So now from this story they are asking you some questions. So the first question is, how many are pulling the carrot out? How many? So old man, his wife, granddaughter, the dog, the cat, and the mouse. Then six. One. Who then the second one, who was the first one to pull it? Who is the first? Obviously the old man. And then after that, the third one, the cat is dashed in the line. What is the cat position? First old man, then second wife, then granddaughter, then dog, then cat. So this is fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. So 5. Then after that, on the top we just write the small th. Fifth. Okay. And then after the fourth one, who was the fourth one to pull the carrot? Who was the fourth one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the dog. The dog was the fourth one who pulled the carrot. Okay. Now the number 5. 5 number question is, how many were pulling the carrot before the cat come to help them? So as we know that first the old man, then after that his wife, and then after that their granddaughter, and then after that the granddaughter called the dog, and then the dog called the cat. So before the cat, how many were pulling the carrot? 4. And then after that, the number 6 question that they are asking you that how many, make a cap on the third one in the line. So who was in the third line? Yes, the granddaughter. So you have to make a cap on her head. Okay, do it by yourself. And then after the last question is, make a mustache for the sixth one in the line. So as we know the mouse was the last one. So you have to make a mouse test on the mouse face. Okay. Then after that we will move to the page number 17. And the page number 17, the topic is Seema's Century. So you can see that there is a girl on your book that who take different shapes of bindis on a cloth, and then after that she put there. So the first question is what? So before you do the question, you have to count the types of bindi. So you can see, if you count, you can see there are 8 different shapes of bindis are there, and each shape there are 10 bindis. So the first question is here. Look at the groups and guess the total number of bindis. As because there are 4 groups of bindis and each group has 10 bindis, then total number of bindis 80. Isn't it? So you can just write down here bindis. Okay. Then after this B number question, draw more groups to complete 100 bindis. How many more bindis did you have to draw? So as we know that already Seema draw 80 bindis. So but now they are asking you for the 100 bindis. So how many were left? Yes, it's 20. So how many bindis you have to be made? 20 bindis, and the number of the group will be 2. So how many they are asking? So you just write down 20 bindis. Okay. This is the last page of your math magic book of chapter number 2, and this is the last topic. So you just go through all the pages properly of this chapter and read the story properly, and then after the practice several times at home. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.